Hello everyone, this is Karthik Silvaraj, and in this video 3 of WebSphere Data Power interview questions, we will see about quizzing and unquizzing. So first about quizzing, in some data power components like the multi-protocol gateway and front-side handler, you can see an option in the right-hand side which is circled to quiz and unquiz. So this quiz option was introduced in Data Power firmware 3.8.1 onwards. So currently I think we are in a 7.xxx version. I'm not sure about the subversions. So the first time it appeared was in 3.8.1. So quiz does a controlled shutdown. So if we want to stop a component, when we use this quiz option, before stopping the component, it will make sure that it doesn't accept any new transactions, and also it ensures that all the transaction in flight are finished. So that is what a quiz does. So whenever you plan to do a restart, it is better to quiz all the components before doing a restart. Otherwise, you might be cancelling out some transactions. So in production, it is strongly advised to use quiz. And when you click on this quiz option, you will get this screen which has the name, field and the timeout value. So timeout is the length of seconds for which the the transaction needs to be completed for that particular component that we are going to squeeze. So it will not accept anything below 60. So if you provide any value below 60, it will throw you an error. So the minimum that it can have is 60. So next what I tried was, so if you see my previous screen, in this the multi-protocol gateway was uh, POC underscore MPGW, and when I used this quiz option, the name was automatically populated. I didn't do anything to have that popped out. So what I tried was I deleted it and I gave a component name which was not available, a component, a multi-protocol gateway name which was not at all available. So by that time, and that the component name was POC underscore yum. You can see it in the error screenshot below. You can see the error message as well. Invalid or non-existent object, and the object name POC underscore yum. That was the object name which I provided, of type multi-protocol gateway. So basically there was no multi-protocol gateway by the name POC underscore yum available. Suppose in case the domain had a multi-protocol gateway by the name POC underscore yum, it could have squeezed that component. So you can use, you can alter the name, and if the name has the correct component name of a in particular it should be multi-protocol gateway component, then it will quiz that particular object. So suppose you have a front side handler, so by the name POC underscore FSH, and that is also available in that domain, but when you give that name over here, it will not um, quiz that object, because when I use this quiz option, I was referring to a multi-protocol gateway object. So it will could have thrown a value that it was not able to find the object name of the type multi-protocol gateway. So if you want to quiz a front-side handler, suppose if you want to quiz a HTTP front-side handler, you should have gone to the HTTP front-side handler screen to quiz it. Okay. So unquizzing is just the opposite. So in this, you only have to enter the name of the component and use the unquiz option to revert it back. So this is all about quizzing and unquizzing, and thanks for watching this video.